Number 5. Queen Elizabeth Park in Uganda is a beautiful nature reserve, where you can enjoy the lush green surroundings, but there's also a dangerous secret lurking in this region. Crater lakes that were formed by volcanic explosions. These crater lakes are dangerous for a few reasons. Firstly, the lakes are surrounded by steep cliffs that can be unstable and susceptible to landslides. Secondly, the lakes are located in a volcanic area, and the activity of nearby volcanoes can cause sudden changes in water level or temperature. Moreover, some crater lakes are said to contain high concentrations of carbon dioxide, which can be deadly if inhaled in large quantities. Some craters' lakes are said to be bottomless, and nobody knows exactly how deep they are. There are also stories of mystical creatures and spirits that have been observed around the lake. In addition, the crater lakes are surrounded by forests and an abundance of wildlife, which gives an enchanted atmosphere. Number 4. The Karinsky Lake, also known as the Karinsky Lake, located in Russia, is considered one of the most dangerous lakes in the world. This is mainly due to the high levels of radioactivity in the lake caused by the dumping of nuclear waste by the Soviet Union in the mid-20th century. In 1957, a nuclear waste dump was established near the lake, which led to the death of many plants and animals. The radiation levels in the lake are so high that even brief exposure to the water or shores can lead to serious radiation poisoning. The extreme toxicity of the lake has led some to speculate about the possibility that the lake is a source of extraterrestrial energy or a site of supernatural phenomena. However, there's no scientific evidence to support those claims. Swimming or fishing in the lake is strictly prohibited, and the area around the lake is also off limits. The high radioactivity of the lake has also contaminated the surrounding soil and groundwater, posing a risk to health and safety. Number 3. Pink Lake, located on the edge of Middle's Land, off the coast of Western Australia, is quite mysterious, especially since its colour can change depending on the conditions. But how can this lake be so pink, you might ask? Well, high salt content and the presence of a microorganism called Dunellia salina create this striking colour, but rest assured, despite its unusual colour, it's safe to swim in the lake. It's about 600 metres long and 250 metres wide, and it's surrounded by dense forests and sand dunes. And not only is it safe, but it's also a great place to fish and picnic. When you take a closer look at the lake, you'll see that the pink water creates a beautiful contrast with the white beaches and the clear blue water of the ocean surrounding it. It's no wonder that Pink Lake is a popular tourist attraction, so if you're ever in the vicinity of Western Australia, be sure to visit this beautiful Pink Lake, and don't forget to bring your swimwear. Number 2. The Blue Lagoon is a geothermal spa located in New Zealand, and while it's a popular tourist destination, there are some potential dangers associated with it. Firstly, the water temperature in the lagoon can reach up to 40 degrees Celsius, which can lead to dehydration and heat exhaustion if visitors do not drink enough water or take breaks from the hot water. Additionally, the water in the lagoon contains a high level of silica and other minerals which can be harmful if ingested. Visitors are advised not to submerge their heads and keep their mouths closed when in the water. Another danger associated with the Blue Lagoon is the risk of slipping and falling on the slippery surfaces around the lagoon. Visitors should be cautious when walking on wet and slippery surfaces, especially when entering or exiting the water. Furthermore, the Blue Lagoon is located in the volcanic area, which means there's a possibility of earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. While the likelihood of a major eruption is low, visitors should be aware of the possibility that the Blue Lagoon has also been featured in various films and television in shows, making it a popular. Number 1. Lake Enos is a lake that you don't want to go near. The lake is located in Cameroon and is situated within an active volcano. The lake is approximately 200 meters deep and is held back by a natural formed dam of volcanic rock. The lake has an unusual chemistry and is susceptible to sudden and deadly releases of carbon dioxide gas. In 1986, Large amount of carbon dioxide was released all at once, killing 1,700 people and 35 animals. The theory thing is that no one saw it coming and they had no time to escape, causing many villagers to suffocate in their sleep to prevent a similar tragedy from happening again. A gassing system has been installed in the OS lake to safely and gradually release the gas that is accumulated in the deep layers of the lake. This system helps to ensure that the lake remains stable and does not pose any further danger to the surrounding communities. Which lake would you like to visit and